Fortuna GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. It is KTimes.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit College 1. Mdlalo Betway Premiership, game number 11 for Kaizer Chiefs. Now they are level on points with Mamelodi Sundowns. They are level and I get games with Mamelodi Sundowns. 11-11, 22-22. Uchak Sabe City, when him interviewed before when I'm talking about Mumville, there's no difference between the Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns.
It different to the Chiefs. On form this season, Sundowns, you're off form.
You will never be sitting at number 1 while you're off form, Bobson.
I'm sure in meter halfway.
Jan, how Mhlabam?
Sundowns might off form. At least you was win meter halfway. Nina man go on form. Because if Sundowns you go on form, big mele will 11 games in at 33 points.
Sundowns my on form.
Yeah.
So you are off form.
You off form Sundowns Shane. But I'm a pointer now. 11 games. Compare with Manyama season.
22 points this season. Last season at this stage,
I think 30 points, 11 games, if I'm not mistaken.
after 11 games,
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken.
you were on 30. Now you are down by 8 points.
Yeah.
As competition is for last season.
Kusho wena uthi trophy.
From last season, this season.
Yeah.
So an off form Sundowns
Yeah.
is on the same level as Kaizer Chiefs.
On form Kaizer Chiefs.
Well, obviously, we're going to say to Kaizer Chiefs scoring 4 goals. Before the Bulls go to Bonenjalo, last week, besibabukele sibuza ukuthi into libangela bangakori goals. Namhlanje they scored 4. Do you think they fixed that? Lento besithetha ngayo last week ukuthi they need to be clinical in front of goals, or is it a combination of both? Ukuthi nayo Orbit College how they defended namhlanje bingenye nje indlela.
Yeah, Shane. Uma ngabe singathi kule 4 goals abayikorile abalungisanga nix. Ngizoba nabo ngiyabaphosisela Shane because bakhonile ukora 4 goals today.
Yes.
Go Orbit. Kusho wena ukuthi uma kunama mistake enziwa opponent ukuthi uyalungisa ama mistake wakho ipunish opponent. So let's give credit to Kaizer Chiefs. Ukuthi wazi ukuvalela ama goal awu4. I think kule season njengoba uceda ukusho iyaqala ukora 4 goals iKaizer Chiefs ku Betway. So ngibanikeza ihlombe Shane. Ngithi congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kwazi ukukora lama goal awu4 njengoba esikhathini esiningi siyasho ukuthi iyaleka ku final third. So yes inamaphuthi Orbit njengoba ibonile.
Yeah.
But njengoba yenza amaphutha awuyiphanise Shane. So before ngene game Shane umnikeze isikhathi esithu Chucks today man. Kwenzakalani?
It's not me. Ngujasa nami I always get a signal from Ujasa. Ujasa enganika ndivali. So I think Chucks had a deal with Ujasa ukuthi ndiyeke namhlanje. Ndiyeke ntyaba yadule. So
but iChiefs ngathi ikhona into enayo man. Uma ngabe iCountry nokuhlanga yila yona ifuna ukuexcela khona. Yakhumbula during iCovid. Besihlanga kule country yahamba edlala ama finals. Yenza kahle kakhulu. Namanje kukhona okungahambi kahle ku country yabona iChiefs ihlezi ku position 2. Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs today ne ngendlela ngibone iyenza ngakhona iletha abadlali abafana noVele Bhayi iletha umdu kuma winga today. And badlala kanjani? Umdu udlala as a half winger. Uyabuya ungena phakathi. If uyibheke kahle first half ube quiet umdu. Beka lose amabhola umdu azama ukuthi afuna ukungena ngaphakathi ayo join. But uma ungabheka bekuleka umdlalo ofana noMonyane ukum assista because bekuba nabadlali abawu2 ekumele ukuthi ababhide. So uMonyane uvele ngale cross uma ungambheka from there bekahlala emuva kakhulu. La khona umbona umdu avela second half ila uMonyane azakhona azasebenzisa lela line so that akwazi ukustretcha le opponent umdu akwazi ukudlala. So uma ungayibheka the way umdu adlale kahle ngakhona second half Shane uvila anomdu ngifuna ukukhuluma ngovila ngapha ku right badlale kahle kakhulu bebakwazi ukuthi bakhona ukujoina kubadlala abafana nabo umthetho even though ngibona ucele angiboni ucele man nama on and off man sometimes ukunikeza something ongathi ucele nangu uyavela sinenini ucele uza ngenye into phela today beka off uluza amabhola as umdlalo odlala phakathi kulesa sisu Shane awukwazi ukuluza amabhola ngale ndlela so ngisho ngithi bamgcinile ucele mina bengicabanga ngathi mhlawumbe beyangamdonsa but so uzawuthini Shane ucoach umnikezile ichance because of us ukuthi khona kuzovela ngocela so give credit kubadlali abafana nabo bomdu udlale kahle kakhulu today uyayideserve man of the match they uyadlala ngakhona umdu ngibona nomdlali ofana no ubani I center back yabo kwinika I think he played very well today bano McCarthy but the problem is kunama mistake abayenzile kuleya goal ikore iobit ubonile ukuthi ama mistake afana nalawa so uma ungawa rectify ama mistake afana nalawa uzothola ama team azokhona ukuphanisha ngalawo ma mistake but overall wena Shane ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola lama results I think badlale kahle kakhulu iKaizer Chiefs
uSilver qala kwesizini there was a lot of talk ngaye ukuthi we don't think this guy is going to make it with PSL but right now he's sitting there now 4 goals his second goal Kumula last week he scored the winner against Durban City scored also namhlanje I think he should have scored a brace namhlanje was the header I miss wide is bonakala ngathi technical team eKaizer Chiefs ba na indlela bakwazi umsebenza ngayo bamzisa off the bench and then he scores goals what have you made of him so far?
No, as long as a scorer Shane lo msebenzi abamcashela wona bafuna amagoli uSifa so if athola ichance ukuthi adlale athola ama chances ama defender mhlawumbe alahlile akapunish ngiyacabanga ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe nayo uzoba safe because into iChiefs ayidinga amagoli akuncede ukuthi uzofika wi striker ubone uhlupha ushilda wenza ama run but at the end of the day ungakori but uma ngabe yangena uSilver uthola ichance uyapunisha ngiyacabanga into right le as njenge striker ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi ukora amagoli so far so good ngoSilver masimbona akora amagoli njengoba mhlawumbe yanikezwa le 10 minutes 15 minutes angene as a sub but apunisha it's something good njenge striker ukuthi kumele apunishe Shane
Arsenal vele by signing ibe dramatic kakhulu dramatic in a way ukuthi iphele court up until ya resolve by the highest court mhlawumbe kwi football league of South Africa but now he got his game namhlanje his minutes played over 50 or 60 70 minutes Arsenal vele by you showed some glimpses of being a good footballer a good winger but when ubone ndoni kuye namhlanje uArsenal
it's a good player uvele by Shane but angifuni ukumjudge kusase early kangaka because remember ukuthi mangabe i-team ikusayinile i-first game yakho second game yakho njalo uqala mhlawumbe ngendlela right kakhulu singazi ukuthi isikhathi umasiya uzohlala lapho kuleyo level or uzodrop if ubheke umonyane compare kulama game aqale ngawo Kaizer Chiefs nalama game nawo manje mbheke ukuthi sekunangendlela uyahluka ngendlela adlala ngakhona so angeke vele ngimjudge sofa ngithi no uvele by manje umdlalo mhlawumbe ngizothi uzobeka uModi ngaphandle kulela winger or sofa so good udlale kahle ngifuna ukumfakela ipressure boy asimbone amagame maloka busy achubeka Shane sibone ukuthi yini into ayiphethe for iKaizer Chiefs
Kaizer Chiefs starting 11 Kaizer Chiefs Bobo there's something that I've noticed as compared to last season yes everyone made a couple of signings but when you look at the Kaizer Chiefs starting 11 you can see it's a starting 11 that can win games when you also look at the bench you can see there's a couple of players also as nongena sithinje umdlali sasibonile ngene uModi kwangena uSirino kwavela some goals after bengelile nabo and there's also uKhanyisa Maye who's out injured meaning that naye kayibuyile there will be more firepower for Kaizer Chiefs Kaizer Chiefs they look promising this season Bobo xa bajongile ujonge le form bahamba ngayo this season ingaba sustainer up until when
yazi Shane ngiyakutshela ngathi sometimes iChiefs ifana neweather ungacabanga ukuthi iChiefs namhlanje njengoba idlale so next week ingabuye idlale de uyidlale ngakhona the only player engimbonayo kuChiefs abaleke kakhulu kulela bench leKaizer Chiefs uCaston Sereno mangena kuba khona umehluko omkhulu kakhulu kulabadlali abakhona lapha ebenchini so angeke ngithi ngifuna ukuthi ngigarant ukuthi leli bench le Chiefs linjani Shane but ngitshela ukuthi kunomdlalo engimaziyo ukuthi mangabe iChiefs struggleish waletha lo mdlali kuningi ekuzenzeka so ungayijaja ngeOrbit njengoba silibona but nayo Orbit mangathi uyayibheka Shane akusi team engathi ungafuna ukujaja
based on
you understand ukuthi njani because kunama mistake amaningi ayenzwa team efana neOrbit uma ungabheka uRamahlo today bekadlala ku right back ungabheka abo ubani le ubathi la phakathi kwelo kwenkundla kunama mistake abawenzayo baluza amabhola so uma ngabe iopponent ikunikeza ibhola then nawe uyalithatha unikeze iopponent kusho kona ukuthi kunama mistake kukhona la kumele batestwe khona bahlangane nama team afana nabo Golden Arrows njengoba sibabona at least badlala kahle kakhulu abo Sekhukhune United ngila khona ngizosho ukuthi okay ama team afana nalawo ungamjaja lo mdlali or ungajaja le team based mangabe idlala nalawo ma team lawo but angeke sivala umlomo ukuthi banikeze credit after babithe iOrbit nga4 because amanye amacembu ayahluleka ukubitha iOrbit ngabo4 so angeke sikuvale lokho Shane ukuthi benze kahle kakhulu.
Well, Bobzin, thank you so much, my brother, for your analysis. Besibukele umdlalo ke we-Kaizer Chiefs nalapho ke ithe yazwinela khona ke ngo-4-1 betha ke iOrbit College yohlala ku-number 2 iKaizer Chiefs this season. Well, namhlanje ke besibukele yona ke imidlalo yeBetting Premiership. Bethe iphazamisa iLeandro Joepa. I think esascreen sidlala imatch enkulu phaya eReal Madrid and also iLiverpool stengu 0-0 ngomdlalo esawuleqa lowo ukuthi mhlawumbe sifumane noba yi-second half yawo. But namhlanje iKaizer Chiefs 4 iOrbit College 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.